Hi, the name is Eben and you're welcome to my class. So, once you're in my class, you know what you gotta do. Take your notebook and take your pen to start jotting down something. And one thing also, you need to pay your fees. So, the fees are broken down like this. Hit on the subscribe button and hit on the like button. Share the video to others so that they also get the importance of it. You have paid your fees. Now, let's get straight into it. So, this is how I make some cool cash from some AI tools. And I'm going to show you exactly that so that you also start doing that. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. Well, first of all, let me tell you this. Before I even go to those AI tools, I'm a graphic designer and I'm a typist as well. So I took advantage of AI to make some money from AI with these skills that I have. So let's come to the graphic design. At every moment in time, someone is celebrating a birthday, academic excellence, whatsoever. There are many things that people are celebrating, parties and a whole lot of things. Sometimes these people will need pictures, very good pictures, and you will need to take advantage of AI so that you do this for them. So what I do with AI is, the tool that has been helping me is Nano Banana. Nano Banana is an AI tool that helps you to create stunning pictures like photo shoot studios. You create a picture as though you went to the photo shoot studio to do it. And if you go to the photo shoot studio, it will cost you at least 300 Ghana cedis. But then Nano Banana can do it for you for free. So imagine something that could have cost 300 cedis and you are getting it for free. Then if you take advantage to do this for others, you can charge them something small. Then they will be glad to pay because they wouldn't like to go to the photo studio. So Nano Banana, this is how it goes. So you watch the video, the tutorial, how it works, then you do it as simple as that. If you want a full tutorial on it too, check up here. I've put the link there, and you check the description too. After this video, you go and watch it. So how I market this or I advertise this is that I will create a stunning picture of myself from Nano Banana. Then I post it on my WhatsApp status that AI did this. Amazing. Would you like something like this? DM me. If you DM me, then I tell you what it takes. Maybe you give me some cool 20 Ghana cedis, 30 Ghana cedis, just something small. You see? So something small like this, you can make your money. So you can take advantage of AI and be making some cool cash somewhere. So Nano Banana doesn't only create stunning pictures or beautiful pictures like that. Sometimes it modifies pictures. So you can say, beautify this picture or increase the quality of this picture for me. Sometimes there was a medal in my neck in a particular picture. I gave it to Nano Banana to remove the medal for me, and it did it. Ain't this amazing? So this is one way of making money from AI using Nano Banana, creating stunning pictures. And Nano Banana is one of the top-notch AI tools to give you pictures that look exactly like yourself. Yeah. So if you don't know how to design, but you want to learn it, maybe you don't know graphic design, so all you can do is to just create the pictures, and it just needs prompt. You just prompt it as how you want it to be. I hope you got it from the picture, from the video that you watched. So you just prompt it and it gives you the picture. But then if you want to learn how to design, just comment at the comment section. Just write design at the comment section. I'll know, and in my subsequent videos I'm going to talk about it and give you some basics of graphic design. I've been using Pixel Lab. YouTube is a free university, so you can download Pixel Lab from the Play Store. Then you start to search about videos on how to use Pixel Lab, and you are going to learn more about it. Also, let's get to the next one. Now, here is the second strategy to make some cool cash from AI. I told you earlier on that I am a typist, so I type for you, then I charge you. So, if you know where I am doing this video right now, it's a printing press. So I'm a typist. What I do for you is that since you don't know how to type, I'll tell you to bring your documents, then I type for you and charge you. And AI helps me to do this. It's very easy, very simple as ABC. AI can help you to type, as simple as that. Now, if you want to know how AI is going to help you to type, check here. The link is there, or check the description of this video, and you're going to get a full video on that. Now, let me tell you this. The AI tool that helps you to type is Meta AI on WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp has AI too, and it helps you to type. So what I do is I'll tell people that you can bring your documents to me for me to type for you. If you want a CV, if you want any other document that needs to be typed, I can work on it for you. So some people wouldn't want to type. So sometimes someone will bring a document. It is very voluminous, and typing it with the computer keyboard and things, Charlie, it's a very huge work. So the simple thing that I do is I'll be taking pictures of the various pages, then I send it to AI to do the typing for me. After that, I'll copy it, then I open WPS Office. If you don't have it, go and download it from the Play Store or the App Store. WPS Office. Then I go there, I paste it there, I create an empty document, then I paste it there, then I save it, I do the little editing that I got to do. After that, I'll send it to you. That is all. If you want to know more about that too, as I showed you the link to that video, watch it and get how you can create or you can type documents with the WhatsApp AI, that's the Meta AI. So these are two ways that I've been chopping some cool cash from AI. Apart from generating pictures, scanning pictures, and also typing, I also generate money from graphic design. Yeah, as I told you earlier on. But then it's Pixel Lab that I've been using. There are many other apps that I use to get the result that I've always been getting. But then comment design if you want to know, so that I'll create a tutorial on that, then I get it to you. If you haven't paid your school fees, pay by subscribing and liking the video. Share to friends to also get it, you know. So these stunning pictures that I have been saying that I generate from Nanao Banana, they go from as low as 20 Ghana cedis to 30, 50 Ghana cedis and upwards. Yes, and for the typing too, I charge 5 cedis for a page. Every page, the A4 sheet, every page that I type, I charge 5 Ghana cedis. So if I am to charge type 4 pages, 20 Ghana cedis, 5 pages, 25, in that order. You get it? Yeah, so that's how I'm making some small gigs. And for the graphic design too, graphic design, 100 cedis, the least, let me see, you are sis, the least that I have to give it to you, that's, I'm not taking you anything, should be 50 Ghana cedis. Yeah, then if I'm doing a work for you, like if I'm designing for you, a work for you, Charlie, 100 Ghana is even small, you know. So some petty skills like this is what you are going to get from it. So look sharp. Mind you, in my subsequent videos, I'm going to talk about how to import goods from China to make some cool cash. Chinese importation, or that China importation, has got a lot of benefits. So subscribe to the channel and hold on. I got you covered. Let's meet some other time.